In Dormacaba's community software, we use the maintenance unit for the purposes of lock programming, as well as doing future audits or updates when needed. I just want to cover a couple of quick things in the software of using the M unit. First off, under system settings and under the security category, this is where you can set up password rules for general software use that's actually logging onto the software. But I also just want to show you in the same menu under maintenance unit, you have the option to enable, or in my case, disable the need for a password for the handheld M unit. And you also can set how many days or hours before the M unit files expire. So when we transfer information onto the handheld, those files can automatically expire at a predetermined length of time. For my demo purposes, I have this disabled, and I also have the number of days maxed out. When we're ready to actually program a door, so I clicked on back to the home screen here, what we want to do is make sure that that M unit is plugged into the community workstation that you're using, and that's done with the USB cable that we supply. Once you've done that, you click on programming and auditing, and you simply click on programming, because that's what we're trying to do here, to go program doors. And you can pick and choose what doors you want to transfer over to your handheld M unit. And there's plenty of memory in there, so you can simply click on all of them if you want. And when we're ready to transfer, you're just going to go ahead and click on transfer, and the software will know what to look for and what to do. When you initially plug in the handheld M unit, Windows or your computer will see it as a USB flash drive. You will not need to map the file location. The community software knows what it's looking for. It will know where to transfer those files. Once your door files are transferred onto the handheld unit, the software will notify you that they have been transferred and you're ready to go program. You simply click on OK. You can unplug your M unit and go program some doors.